Welcome to 1 crore projects. Today we will discuss about the project title is Fruit Classification and Health Checker using Flask framework. So let's we can see how to run the project. So first you just install the requirements, then again you just copy the file path, then open the Anaconda prompt. Then after that type this line like cd space copied file path. Then cd space copied file path. SQL. Yes. So then again type this line like python app.py. So there is a running command about this project. First I will run this project. Once you give this line, after that it will return one link. There is the IP address. Then you just copy the link, then paste on your any browsers. So there is the link running on http slash some text. So copy this line, then paste on your any browsers. Just wait few seconds. Yes, there is the main UI about this project. Here we can upload the image like uh, fruit images. Yes. Once you submit and predict the button to after uploading this file, it will return how much of quality, then how much of fresh or rotten. Then again I just click I just upload the various image, and after clicking this submit button, yes, it will return fruit classifier like apple, then quality. So this one is based on deep learning project. Here we can use to CNN algorithm like CNN classification algorithms. So CNN is stands for convolutional neural network. It is used to do mostly used to do image processing. Then after I just click another image like banana. Yes, submit and predict. I just click. Yes. So it will predict banana as 100 percentage. Then after that quality is fresh 91 percentage and rotten. Then again I just click various image like rotten banana. You can you can submit the any images